Ever wish you could add a secure login to your Google site without complex coding? Today, we're unlocking that potential. First, open a new or existing Google site. This will be the foundation for our secure area. From the Insert menu on the right sidebar, we're going to select Embed. Choose the Embed from the web option. This is where we'll bring in our secure authentication method. Now head over to Google Forms and create a simple login form. You'll need fields for username and password. Once your form is ready, copy its shareable link. Paste that Google form link into the Embed URL box in Google Sites and click Embed. You'll see your Google form now appears directly on your Google site page, ready for user input. Next, to restrict access, go to the sharing settings of your Google site. Change the access from public to either restricted or specific people. This allows you to invite only specific individuals or members of your Google Workspace domain to view the page. This is key to your security. For enhanced security with your Google Workspace, you can manage user authentication directly through your Google Admin Console or by sharing the site specifically with your organization's Google accounts. And there you have it. You've successfully created a login page on Google Sites, adding a crucial layer of security to your project. #Google Sites #login page.